you need to remove her. And the live video where our sister do this morning, where she they cry, they swear, they insult. I believe say that live video not actually caught for. Yes, you know why? I talk as you just come and swear, say somebody carry you go give Frank, Victor. Say if now so they really be, say they really carry you go meet Frank. You just swear and everything. Very. You go enter house, very good there. Who can really carry you go Frank Victor? Made the swear locate to the end of this year. Anything where the person they find, the person not go see her.
I'm choosing.
Yes, you are choosing. So my people, you see, February this year. My explain it what happened.
Bless TV.
February this year on the 16th. You know.
February
on the February 16th
of this year.
Because people, most of the talk say now songs, Rita like what Rita they claim now say now songs where it promote us now with the cross say copyright day. My dear sister, never. Not be that song. Who the song where you take promote? The time when I do promotion for my wife, that one are 2 years ago. You don't even need the money. You don't forget about the video and everything. Don't forget about the songs where you do 2 years ago. Everybody don't say since last year around August till this first time. Everybody know Rita, you were not sharing our. Rita was not sharing our video.
Anything about us.
It was not playing.
Yeah.
The reason why not do one best not to me. I be say I not go talk am, but after that video today, where she do, I go talk the reason why. Now she fell hate us.
Make them see your face. I beg. It's good. I'm gonna go I beg her.
Yeah. Now she fell hate us. You were not playing that song, my sister, and it was not that those videos, those copyright. And what did be copyright? I happy say. Few days ago, where this copyright something they happen, I was with the video and the rest. I can't just put that live video when you watch. You call the watch. Then they call the land say, now the video go say, oh my motherland. Oh, I pray make the thing grow up and everything. You see our songs that our song are strike. The copyright where they shout put now, when they talk put now, not be strike. Somebody where get songs, where don't leave songs for 5, 6, 7 years, make una they play. He can't choose to say okay, make you see the end revenue. What will be this revenue? There is no live video presenter where you will be say you just come and say if they do live video for 1 full month, that 1 full month, or a live video say you must play your song. In one day. No. Maybe if you do 50 video in a month, you go play your song 2 times. And each of those video wait for play your song. If you do make money, let's say the one way make money, you make 50 euro. 50 euro, 40%, how much are we talking about? For person. Not be say give you strike, you not fight your page, you not do anything. Then the video song and the rest people song. If you dey play for party, now strike they give you warning red. Now red, you go wrong. Come on. So my sister Rita, you say they not reach out to you. Not be only you want to do this video. I don't want to call somebody else that we actually reach out to. Yeah. Tell them say our fans they complain say you they carry our video, go they put copyright for your page. Yeah. I beg, not do them again. The person can say, Mama, they don't they mind them. Mama, not do them again. Then, when I try to reach you, Rita, you say I not reach you. That was the day I noticed you blocked me after you called me for a favor that I really don't want to talk. Now I tell you, say, you blocked me, Rita. Yes, where is it, Rita? No. I'm going to show the word. No, I don't. No. See? Like this. Okay, this is Rita. You see that day when I feel watch her, when I write her hi, now it shows say I actually write her to one caller and say, please, what is going on? Why did they put copyright for my video? My people, the video where Rita claim. Now that day now I know say not be money, no, that was Jasper. She did beg me for money. Now that day now I know say Rita block us. Then I never tell my woman. I reached out to 2 persons who is close to her, who just called me after I write just now, say, I beg, make her not call their name. Say I reach out to them. When I reach out to one a woman, that one can't put the other guy. Say because they're not pally. Now I say, see what Rita they do. see wetin I take claim my video. I wan come out on live video. I dey try reach am, he block me. Now the person say he go fit reach am. Then after 5 days, I reach out to that same person. I fit call the person name before live video ends because my body dey right now. Even if the person beg me, I dey come wait. The person come say yes, they don talk. Ipala will just forget. You see, I say many saga they go around now. They go use am, they do saga and everything to round. Now that I tell no say Rita block me. Then after I did that video, when I do why I not call name, I did that video. Everybody know I did that video on the 21 of February. I not call names. I just do and small moon and leave a video congress. Then on the 19th of March, that's after 1 month. Now I call the and say, Madam Rita, can they release all the video? Rita, how can you be so heartless to do this, my dear? My people, watch this video. This was the live video where called Saga that time I watch them. Where we take go use all those ladies for pool. For beach. For beach. For your birthday. For before my birthday, for beach. The live video what we do for beach. That live video 2 days was 400,000. Where caused the whole saga. Where be say they call the saga off. They say why you carry girls way naked. Then they touch in yash and everything. Rita claimed that full video. Jesus. From up my page. Not be music. This is not musical. This was a video. This was a video that was done. In my page, yeah. When my 2 women. This was the video. Then that is one. Then see this one. Another of my live video. Another of my live video. See them again. Live video that was done. My own live video.
This one is just full live video.
Full live video. Not be the music.
Not be the music. Normal live video.
Then I for not even know because I don't know how they do copyright. Me no know anything. My friend was the person who called me. Skimmy, yeah. He said he go call for this live video. See me, yeah, called me. Say, Ebagua, what did happen? This guy Rita just go claim my video when I post that video when you send for me because I record part of the video for that live video. What we do? Give Skimmy call poster for your
What's
page.
your business with video? What's your business with that?
Wait, no.
If you say video, what's your business with that?
Leave an idiot. The video. No one now food.
Don't be your headache now.
So Skimmy here called me and said, Rita claim a video. Now I say how? He said as he can't dispute him. He said after about 5 days, he can't release the video for her. Now I say Jesus. Now I tell you, my page FP Entertainment. I never received one for them. We don't even know how they do it. Now so would they carry them copyright? I go do video. I say now my video live video I do. After I do live video finish, I go see red. He go say not be we get video. I go fine. I not fit see until a day when Frank Victor call they analyze. Say if they help people, they do video and they Facebook and everything. This will not be even my wife page. It is my page. Yeah. Now me reach out to her. Say my FP page. See what they happen. All this whole wall and everything. And it goes okay. Make I add them. As I add them, I come to say this page. You go hard. They just often say too much copyright. Now people they claim and everything. That's it. But how they post people home. Now we go say because I say all our video have big claim and everything. I say Jesus Christ. Now I say he said that's okay, no problem. That was all. Then when I can't notice all these things, then see this video. What we do now my page. Rita, nice to be Dr. Ayemiomo. He still claim this video. This one not be musical. It is just my personal live video, my sister. My personal live video. Wow. Then after my live video,
wait, wahala not the finish. You said, to my knowledge, copyright is automatic, but you can reach out to the person to release it. I want to ask you one question.
No, leave
wait, live video where person do for his page.
Yes.
Not be say he carry the one where Rita do call the analyzer more.
Yes, so my own personal live video.
Anything where Rita don't fair do for her own, he there inside though. No. How can Ayemiomo copyright go automatically enter in own?
My own video.
If not be say you go click and go claim and say I ain't get am. How you go enter?
After I was even thinking it was just those 2 live video. Now she claim. Until after 1 month. In fact, when I do that video, Rita, my sister, it was after 5 days. Now Tesha say you claim that video. You not release them after that 5 days. You wait until they paid you for that video. You can't begin to release them. These are all the proof you come to release them. Now I come say I say, I got over 12 release from you from my own personal live video. We are not talking about the promotion that you did that God will bless you for. You said you do advert for us. When my wife sing, she put all presenters' name. You were not the only person. They appreciate everybody for that one. This one has nothing to do with music. This is my own personal live video. If I know how they do one.
But
wait now, maybe
this Baba Saga, see they talk about your music was free for some years. We they talk about like if they talk about music.
Baby, you have to know that. Not be you have to know that. Not be everybody.
Now we never talk about music now. Now normal live video person they do we they talk about yes, now.
Wait. So then now conscience say Dr. Rita release your video. Release. I was like, wow. I can't say okay. I want come listen my talk now. I can't say I want come on live video. You say I not reach out to now. The number that I have was the number I wrote, and it's still here. Hi. Before I reach out to these two persons, and I beg you, these two persons that is close to Rita, that I reach out to that time, I expect both of you now. Beg me just now. May I not call your name to come out and talk. Then this was the high. Now I say and say. She don't block me. I not feel sharp. So I not feel go to find. I don't even take her as anything. I just forget. And that time, we want go to woman show. Frank, come with a say, I want come out. If the reason why I want to come out, I will say this.
They talk, my love.
After
although you made the whole gym. No, verse. This is that. They talk. Okay.
The reason why I wanted to come out to address this issue again for the second time, when I first come out to call her name, was after I do live video, they come they point out to one particular person. They attack that person, saying that person will they talk to. Although I actually went back on TikTok and said I was not speaking to Lolo. It was Lolo. Lolo's name was all over everywhere. After 4 days, both of them, I know, but Lolo was more.
Okay.
Yes, and I said, I went on TikTok and said, you people are just accusing. I not call anybody. I didn't even call Lolo. The live video I did was not even because of Lolo. I said that on TikTok, and most people carry them, most people don't carry them. Then I therefore I can say, Destiny, if you even come out right now, they call name and everything. You they go do show with them, the woman, you come cost a lot of that. How much for this copy that? Let it go. That was how I forget. And these two persons where I call, where he beg, say they will speak to her and beg, might not do live video. Now so we take forget this whole thing. At least this video where he can't come out right now. This video we talk about now. This video was not done. This video is like 7 months ago, right? I don't know why I be saying that now. And I believe say why it can't be say it can't come out now when my sister Rita can't come out. You say because say my wife called say Frank Vito. Okay, skim me, yeah, good. Add skim me, yes, okay.
Accept.
No, miss skim me enter. Yes. The reason why he can't even come out now, say now because they can't say Frank Vito, now be our admin or moment you. For your point of correction, my sister, me or my wife never called Frank Vito to explain anything about copyright or make it come call you. If we call Frank Vito to come and insult you or talk to Frank Vito about carry your matter, go meet her, all the swear where you swear today, make it be followed. So screaming, my brother. Screaming.
Bro, yeah.
I beg. I remember you were the person who called me about copyright. I beg. What happened? I beg, bro.
Well, first of all, I will first talk about that one. Make a first greet all the people when he did. All
Okay.
of una good evening. I think the reason why personally I even get interest for this kind of matter now because since I read some comment also from some people here, It's not good make we generalize this thing on the part like say Esther no they appreciate people when they play music or when they share music. That is not what it's actually about. Somebody like Davido, where you talk about just now, Davido is even a more bigger artist, we get a more bigger platform, we get even bigger money. All those people, the way they take copyright their music, you not even feel plan for your Facebook. Me, I love Davido songs. I want to dey play them for my live Facebook, but I know they feel they plan. Why? Because if I just put on now, Facebook will just write me, they'll just give me red. Now make me know the plan. Even I hardly also play a lot of musicians, except for this Esther, when I still know, say, you know, they get copyright for music. Me, I don't even know now, say copyright, don't even get it. You know, say, they ask you, say, so Esther music don't get copyright now. Me, I did not also know. Even as me and you close reach, you not even reach out to me to even tell me, say, oh, but copyright don't do this music. I don't know whether you understand. Because that one, every musician write. And even on our own self, on our copyright be say, and you go still the earn money. Me also, I go still the earn money. It not go strike me also from my page. When I carry that your video that time, those 2 days later, Facebook can send me message say, I carry somebody video. I go to say, now I take the Destiny Ebagua before I even post this video. I even send them to me.
Yes.
Go far, go. Me not even know how those things say they even they work. Sir. I can call one of my guy. Now the guy can put me through how to go find out who put copyright and all those things. I go find out saying that lady. Now I can call you say, why this lady go put copyright for video where you not get? Wait, this say you they collect money, you get video, they collect the money. Everybody they want use that collect money. So I can't dispute the video. Really, after some days, it be like say she can't undo the something, you know.
Yeah.
Facebook can't tell me say yes, the person don't remove the this thing come out
Yeah,
for
now
me.
you take
But the
from
truth,
tell me this happen.
but the truth of the matter for this matter, my brother, why it always be say we as Benin people, when something they among us, we go just they criticize this thing like say now what a big thing. Because all these big stars that we get for Nigeria, all of them they put copyright for their music. I never see say Benin people come out, come they discuss about that matter for social media, say, oh why? So because say now lady of song now she don't do something bad now to people, say she try to also get small dividend for waiting she suffer also. She not just claim the whole right. She give you then a choice. If you like now, you play a Dopayi music when you want to start your live video. But if you go YouTube, you want play a lady or song music, may you can enjoy for your parlor. That one a normal free thing. I don't know whether you understand. But once you don't carry and come your live video, you want play. It's a choice something. I like to play Esther music, make I forgive her 40% because my audience, my fans, they like Esther music. May they take her to enjoy. Not choice. You can also decide not to play. There are so many music where you go fit to do live video. So why the thing can become something now we be say it go come, and even let's even forget music. Why somebody where you not get video, you not do live video, not be your live video, you go carry the live video, you go put copyright. Does it make any sense at all? It don't make sense now. Make we just face, make we talk truth at least. You know, say sometimes when people they talk now, people come they feel like say, oh, you want to support your people. No, but make we just they realistic right now. Is it normal? Say video where be say not be you sit down do. If now your video you they put copyright, bravo. That's your property. You can do it the way you want. Nobody will come and complain for you. But if somebody take time to do your video, he not put copyright. Everybody they share this copy. Everybody they share the video. Then they take out they make revenue. Who get video sell? No even worry. You will not get video when they not do video for a page. You go carry that video. You go put a red manager for video where you not get. It makes sense.
For my own life,
honest now. And so people go sit there for comment section here. They're going to talk, say, you be ungrateful person, or you be this one.
now,
Let's just face this very issue now where they happen now. Is it right? Say somebody not get video, not do live video. You go carry somebody live video, take out they make money. He can put right manager for that very video. So if you get right manager for your page, when you want to do that, when you want to put somebody else's video, you go offer for that particular video. You go offer so that it not go affect any other person because it is not your own video. So when you do that kind of thing, now use yourself, now be the bad person for inside the matter for that very issue now. You understand?
Okay.
Because it's not fair now.
Excuse me. Okay, excuse me. You see, everybody where they watch, Rita, you are a married woman and I respect you. I'm not going to insult women. I'm not feeling so I'm not going to insult you, but you insulted me today. You do everything, I leave you. But I know the reason why you did angry. Because even when you did do live video, I never comment on live video in the heart. I came to your live video and I told you, my sister, nobody called Frank Victor to report your issue. That alone reach where you will take believe. But I don't know what you get. Or maybe because I talk, say, I will come on live video to come and bring out all the proof. You wanted to come out to play the victim. You wanted to come out to say, oh, as a new ungrateful person. No, now. As a new way out for me, ma. No, ya a live video. Who ya make you go? Mama, me go. Who ya a promotion of a sinwa. Another moment where. If the reason why you are angry with me or this family, my sister, I want to tell you I'm sorry because actually I know the reason why you're angry. I say I'm where you go. So imagine a Frank Victor me. So okay, do we agree with you? If I tell we agree me, I go pa promo. When we tell me promotion now, a Frank Victor song and everything. And Rita, the reason why I didn't even bother again after I found out you blocked me, after I reached out to people to reach out to the day you blocked me after 1 week was the day you actually called me, Destiny Ebagua, that your parents were being arrested, that I should go and help you to pay them. And I told you, my sister, please, I don't want to get involved with anything that has to do with social media. I beg you. And that was the day you changed towards this family. You weren't playing our songs anymore. You weren't even sharing our video anymore. You were angry because you called me to go and help you to release your parents from the station. And I told you, I was not even around. And I said, I can't do it. And that was how, whether they're talking and say you changed your number, that was how you stop communication with us. You know, now people they talk say, hey, oh, Frank Victor, they give information. Are you guys okay? They hate anybody enemy. Maybe so your enemy must be my enemy. I'm not that stupid. Now you want to tell me you want to help me? As big as IFP Entertainment. I'm saying it today. I never chop one another. For years, we never take anything. First, you go suffer do live video. You go suffer rest. You they come out and call the shots. Now so they your page they get problem. Songs and everything. Songs where you don't chop for 2 years, 3 years. The time when they do live video, you delete and come out now. 3 years never reach. You delete and you will rest. But this we're not talking about that songs. We are talking about my own live video. My own live video, Rita. Then you came out and insulted me. Well, you have a husband and you insulted me. I leave you to God. Then I will leave the rest to Lady or Song. And Skinny, yeah, thank you very much.
God bless you.
That's why I get you are still my sister, Rita. I don't hold anything against you. But if that one make you vex, I am sorry. You say that so you fight for us. You do this one for us. You do everything. My dear, everybody on this media, where they do want to help, to help for you. If you want to fight for a person, you come out and fight. On live video fighting, while making money every month, you are still enjoying it. The money where you make all this year, you don't call us, come give me one or anything. Nobody even talk that one. So my sister, not vex. I'm sorry. I don't feel do one. I make I don't do one that time. Thank you. So babe. Epa. So give me thank you, sir. Imagine for songs as my wife's songs already reach. People they release song. People they release song 2 days. They'll put copyright. Yes. Since 2017 they come. You know put copyright. They don't chop all the songs. Even the copyright now they craft. Don't be saying that strike. You know affect your page. You get 60%. Maybe person get 40%. You know figure. Don't be say yes. You not go reach €100. You go say €40. You know they. So why the quarrel?
But most of the song where they play also. Now, how many times they even they plan for live video?
Thank you.
How
How many
many
times?
times? Me, I know even how many times now. All of us, let's
Wait,
just be
sister.
realistic now. Why the
No.
even the matter even become an issue? How many
No, no,
times?
no. And okay, oh, my talk. Hold on. Wait, may I even talk one thing? Because everybody, now just come, they come, one can take glory. The song that Oyene Gbeme is almost 3 million. How many times live video presenter don't play? People where they play song, they plan for YouTube. Inside house, they plan, they wash them. Okay, small. Then people will come out. This one will come. You can't see people will say this one. There are some things where you know warrant to insult anybody. There are some things where you not even reach to cause problem. As you talk, say you don't hear and I say nobody. Rita, if not true, say we really carry you call from Victor. Say see or me can't talk. This swear we swear today. It's very very okay. But if we not call, my dear, you say I say nobody. So I leave it to you because you be woman to woman talk to her. Wait till insult you.
You don't understand. I greet all of now my people. Now well done. That is me don't come out here. So make them listen. Yes, I greet all of now welcome. Now good evening. Hope na day okay. I will be starting from one person talk just like say our music fair day free. So when we come they put copyright now. That's why it can't they come out now. Now it can't they affect people. Okay, that is true. That's true. But our music fair day free for how many years? Why don't they sing? Now since last year, I started to put copyright and not be even all. I they select and they put not be all my even as we they talk now. Not be all my hip hop copyright day. And they select and they put. Then if you want use person's song, you know, say I go play one musician song for this my live video today. Normally, you suppose off your copyright, whatever. You suppose offer. You know why you go offer? Because you know, say you want play person property for that video where you want do. You know, say you want play person music. Just for that one way for one play person music, so offer off the copyright. So that you already know, say if you put copyright, I felt tell that day, I match am for stage. My gold earring. As I hear they jump for stage, they dance. The thing fall for my ear, I just match am. So as far as I say gold, I no fit throw away am. I see they use am. I will first enjoy am before I sell am. So that's how it be. So you suppose off am so that it not go affect the owner of the song. If the owner of the song one can use his or her own song. Then on the other hand, if you can decide not to off am because of say you no want make another person or another co-presenter carry the video, now make you put copyright. If the owner of the song come tell you say share revenue with me, you go share revenue. Or if you no want share revenue, you go comot the song or you go delete the video. That is it. So since e don tey when we leave our song free, now we come dey put copyright. Una suppose just accept am. Say okay, this video when I do, e don tey. So e be like say this person don put copyright for im music. You go just, you know they make money for the video again. So you go just accept, and not be even problem to your page. You go just accept the copyright like that, so that now gather they share the thing. Then music video wey be say e don tey wey you do, e don tey wey you do, and not be now. Now they tell you say the owner say na he get am, say make you share revenue. Wetin go come make you no come put hand share revenue? Then if that still new one, you no want share revenue, they go tell you say replace the video. You feel replace am with another song, replace the audio. You feel replace am.
That person you are sick.
Leave that one. You feel replace am.
So for your property.
Check it did table there. Then you see this music of a thing where you talk just now, person where that time just now say na automatic. Since our video fell free since now we dey put an make I come they enter copyright for everybody job. Now, me want explain one thing. Babe, not the talk again. I for not forget to say I want talk. Music where person play, person goes to go suffer player. He can put an art for free. Everybody they enjoy them. Somebody help me pay my papa part 1 or 2. One and not distract me. Now don't they talk? I don't they forget what thing I be want talk. No, now the one at the top who they make me they forget.
No, I beg, hold on. Rita say, how come I take copyright live video? Where Rita, my sister.
Yeah, right.
You go write out for your page. You say how you take copyright video, live video where I do for my page. May I bring proof, my sister? As I tell your son, say, my sister, this is the proof. This was a live video that was done. Now let me tell you what you do. You go download my live video, you cut my live video, you go put on for your page, claim the copyright.
Now so you take do, and so you take do all of them.
All my video.
Now so you take the do, so, you go cut, you go cut from the live video.
We know the quarter.
You go cut from the live video. You go come, maybe you go put something joiner for you. You go come upload that. Then you go
hold on.
Copyright.
Even some videos when my mama say my first wife page. 3 of the video you still release them. The proof still there, yes. Yeah. You release 3 of the video. And everyone know say that one I had business you call it do. Yeah. See, this was the clip. Yeah. Dr. Queen Rita Ayemiomo TV released the video. Their video on your. They were even they call and say their video. Facebook will call and say like your video. Say you release your video like say you they do me favor.
So now live video. Live video as I sit down so now I dey discuss, I dey talk the live video. Now you know say you play person music for the live video where you do. You know say you play music for person video where you do. You put copyright. Then when me want to do live video, me can play the song. They can tell me say this live video so the music when I play put not be my own. The people will get the live video, they don't claim her. Then you now when be say you know say you play lady of song music for your live video and you see her because definitely Facebook go write you say your job, your own job where person be carry the money come because if they pay you, it go show say this also job like this, now this money for come. It go but show say your job from another place, a person carry the money they come to you. Now they claim say now music now when you play, now they give us the copyright. There are so many videos where we do where we say we not even play music where get copyright. We not play the music where we they talk about so ordinary video where we just do. Then how come you go come and say you claim her? Now we not play musical. We not play the music put. We not play anything music. Maybe we just come out to talk. How come you go come out for your own say now you get the job say you claim the video? How it they happen? Then live video when it be say person do. Now let me forget about the live video now. Let's go to my song. May I not to take for live video because everybody don't understand what we they talk now. Say apart from say we play music. And you don't put copyright for that for your own when you play the song for your live video. As we play, they will strike us. Now let's forget about it. Let's go to my music now. Let's just talk about my own music. Okay. No, not be we want to explain something to make people understand. Not be say forget. Now, music when me play, you play for your live video. Why you go put copyright when you know say you play another person video, you play another person music, you play am. Why you go put copyright? When you know say if your copyright hold that your live video, it go affect who gets song. So you can't expect now say as you don't claim you don't put copyright for video when you do and use my song. Now you can't expect say me will get the song when you use. If we can use that tomorrow, you go they claim my video, they go, you go they claim and they go because that one are your plan. Say since you play my song for your live video and you put copyright for that live video, and automatically you don't already know say both my song and your live video, the copyright go catch on. the copyright go catch that music, and you not remove one. You not say because I play Esther song, make I remove copyright from this video, you leave and put. Then when me go come play my own song, they do live video, you go come claim everything. Everything, both my own song, money will go come and you go claim her. Now make I tell you one thing, Rita. Not be only you, when they put copyright for my song. Not be only you. Then when me when they use my song, they go put copyright. The thing can they affect me. The thing they affect me. Different name now can they see. Different name. If you now listen to my video that they say not be only one person, not be two person. Not be only one person, not be two person. Then people go come call me, say, Mama, I be use your song to do video. They give me copyright strike. I'll say, me, I not put copyright for my song go. Copyright not dey my song go. That time when me they talk, so me not know say Facebook, they would send me notification say, Dr. Rita, I've claimed your video as their own property. Me no know, because me know they get after the to go notification, not they go. I know you get time for that one, go to check notification. Me no know, say that they send me message say all the video when me they do, people they claim me no know. But when person can call me say, you put copyright for your song.
There is one Chelsea Mohammed there, please block him.
I'll say I not put copyright. Many people come they call me. Many people come they call me say, Mama, you they put copyright. You they put copyright for. Say I know they put copyright too. Then I come go to check my own page. A copyright in here, and I I'll come see say video with me too. Either red go there or yellow go there. They tell me say na person property. Me my person property. E gbo abi yan na ni gbene mi no ma no gba be pe ra e. Ibe say yo on sin. They not monetize my page. I know they see any money for the page at all. And my song, I know they put on for anywhere. I can't they come out, can't they beg people. If you know say now you they put copyright for my song, I beg. No, they put on people they like my song, they enjoy it. Why you will copyright it, Joe? The thing they come and see the show for my own. Why you will copyright it, Joe? I said that thing over and over again on this Facebook, on this social media. Talk. So my husband can say, if now let me vet, I go put copyright for her song. Go. We talk. They're not listening. Not knowing say this woman and some other people know say now that they do this thing to us because they will not understand anything Facebook. They know say now their video where they do. And our own when we go do when they don't say since they don't monetize us, they don't monetize our page. They already know how we they get plenty view. So what they need to do is to come and pick from the video and they feel laugh put. They feel do like this put. They feel do like this put. Who be that? Cut her. At the end of the day, they put her for their page. They go claim the right. So
hold on. Wait. Hold on. Please. This video not be to come insult anybody, not be to come shout or talk anything. And the way I forget the video we should do.
No, do your own.
I talk my own, yes. People will see the comments, they talk, say you for reach out to her. You don't hear where I first started this live video. I have a number. I wrote and I found out that she blocked me. I know if you can go to find video. When she blocked me and I realized now when she called me for favor, I don't feel talking here. If I not do them, now she did block me. I reached out to two persons who is close to her to tell her. It was after 1 month. Now I take comments, come address this issue. And you people that is even still talking here, you talk about this one, Richard. Like,
no, never see they understand. The way they say they put this copyright, so now they understand. Listen. You want play person music, you know say you get copyright, you go offer. So that your copyright, it not go affect the person will get song. Now so not supposed to do one now will get copyright. Or no your play person song. Then secondly, if you do video the way they say they claim your job, I want to tell you so. Una we never understand them. Una we never know, most especially una we don't get plenty followers and una never money. Now don't know the way they say they monetize, the way we be. We don't know the way they say they monetize page. We don't know. We don't even care. We don't do our thing. They go. They advertise our job for them. Now people come. They let us know. Say this is not page. Don't be good. Advert don't they show for it. Like why not monetize? And we have a monetize here. Now so people come to the tell us say, now why the amigo the video why the amigo the video not let me forget what I want to talk. Now so this will matter today. Then now, if they see your video, if they get view, people they view and you know they monetize, advert not they go cut down your video, they go cut for inside. If they cut for inside, they feel can laugh put, they feel control leg like this. They feel can say, come on, come see they go do one. Then they go post them for their own page where they monetize. The copyright now, you don't already did their own. They go copyright them. They die your own, you will get the video. Anywhere that video there, anywhere, anybody will carry that video, automatically all the view, the money, it go to them. Now so they take the carry person video, may I tell you now. Then you go to say that they support you, that they advertise you, that they help you. Your video where you do, they go carry out. You go, they're not go share out, they'll just download and they'll carry out. They'll come go talk put, they go put them for their page. Then as far as they get copyright, all the one where you do when you don't get your view. Anybody when see join the person carry for your own, everybody, all the money go to them. Because definitely anywhere with sample of that video they go to them. Anywhere with sample of that live video they now their own, the money they go to them. You will not understand, you not go know. So all this time, now what it can they affect us, we don't know. So when person can they tell us say, Epa Eddie don't fit talk for live video since. Now my husband reach out to them. As me and you they talk, I not get Frank number. No. I not get his number. But we they talk. Anytime maybe my husband they talk, I hear his voice. I will hear now, Epa fana, Epa nuwe una ema o, Epa not the two like that again. We'll just see talk. Sometimes his wife go just see holla me. Mama afa will greet. So he don't do my husband or me no know. So now my husband come me and say, Epa Frank go fit help you do your Facebook. You don't help me do my own. I say, really? He say, yes. Make I call him. Make he explain to you and everything. He can't really call him. So I see the explain, I say, he understand the Epa. The best thing, I want send the Nima wa add the way you add me. On our way, yes. But what add the way you add me? That very day, we put on for add me. Now so it say enter. Come they look everything. When they look the thing, he can't say, Mona, just give me time. Mona, give me time. I say, settle down, look at that very day. Now, so we talk rich. Now, for my back, yeah, my husband called the talk. Called they tell my husband everything. Say, see what you see for inside. That time, me not even there again. Say, see what you see for inside. So my husband tell me, say, see, oh, if I want to claim a video, people they claim our video. He can't measure their names. He can't measure all the presenters, and most of them feel not still be presenter. If it be say they still get big platform, they'll just carry my full music, the video, they'll go YouTube, they'll just download them, they'll just upload them for their Facebook, they'll just put copyright. The thing they affect me will get some. So when because they mention their names to me, I can't say, now wow. And again, one certain when person still call me, not be one, not be two, that period. Facebook just they hot because of this copyright matter. One of them say they copyright my job, or they copyright my job. Few women called me. Say, you copyright my job. What will happen? You put copyright for your song. I say no, I don't put copyright for my song. But they say now your song, now give me copyright. I say no, not be me. So I call me say the person name where copyright my job when me do maybe the blogger now can't see carry for it. I go put for. All those bloggers will go carry your video, they talk, they put. So they don't go talk, put them for their platform. Then this person so still carry that same video, go put for our platform, talk, put. He claim the job as his own. So when the woman call me, the woman tell me say, a job even you know this job what you do. So person claim out. I say, who? He say, so person like this. During that time when we do marriage. When we do marriage, all our video, marriage video, we call your the social media. People call your they claim copyright. They call they bring their names to me. Say, Mama, this your marriage video where everybody just they enjoy, they carry. So person they put copyright, they go. Say, who be that? It's okay, Mona, not worry. I go talk to the person. I reach out to the person and they say, I beg that they complain. Oh, say you they put copyright for my marriage video. I beg, allow they carry. Even though say they talk, put me, they insult me. Allow them, make they insult me, make they talk. The insult are blessing to me. Leave them.
She was already insulting us now. You use that. Don't use that. They talk to us.
Exactly. Even that same video. So when it be say she they carry they put copyright. Not be say she they talk better thing put. She was not being directly said. Obviously against us.
Yes.
As she they carry the video, the marriage video, she go carry and finish. She go do like this. She go do like. She was obviously against us, but
Yeah,
because
I able to stay good.
yes,
to reach out to people.
but she can still they put copyright. May other people not carry. Not be saying they talk better thing for the video now. You can't still go put copyright. Now say I beg, come on copyright. Make people carry. Allow them to insult me. Make they carry on. At the end of the day, she can't say no problem. She will remove her. And as they can't see to the comment, I can't say okay. She don't go remove her. This copyright when me see so when destroy our page so not be only Rita, not be only Rita. Other people there when claim our video where their name still come out. But when my husband do that video, you don't make sure anybody name because not be only one person. You don't make sure anybody name because he said forget am. Mona not one again. Mona release all my video. Una many but I don't want to make sure una name. Mona release all my video. We tell that matter that time we rest. That time I never still pull copyright for my song. Now when the thing can't rapper, it can't too much. When Epa Frank can't check video and everything, I can't say okay, I see your be so. I see just they do one so make I just go put copyright for my songs. May I know say even me go affect me join her. We go bear her. Now so because we start to put copyright for our songs. Okay, fine. As we don't put copyright for the song, finish now. They're going to reform now. Now we don't do video. Say copyright don't do. Either now delete the video or now accept her. Now revenue, now sharing in order to cost for it. But I know say based on say Epa Frank na person one of my lovers as the person will love my song. If they play my song well. The thing pain her say this. Me this thing. Oh, a song when I like now, I not coffee they play again. People when don't tell say man they play legend song music. Now I go tell them or make the thing not go affect them. Now he quickly run come and talk that day. As he talk, I don't say definitely many people not go see understand. They not go see understand. They still carry the video, pen and go here, pen and go here. I came out again the way it take came me because immediately I listened to that video say why it be when star. Yeah, woman damn the thing pain me. Wait, am I not enjoying one right now? And then make me come and that yeah when you want to walk into wire then wire dwekini wire am copyright is everything man what tell them was sinner at the end of the day I still no mention name I just talk and say abu musa name mo say ko why me why get man why because you feel rest which I no make sure anybody name just to come and explain to my fans to let them know that I am sorry. It was never what I wanted to do. It was never what I wanted to do to put copyright. But as it is now, to avoid problem, let me put it. And I'm sorry for that. To let them know, say, it no affect them. They can still use it and share revenue. If you don't want to use it, after you don't play for your live video, you don't want to share revenue. You don't play for your live video finish. You don't post them. Go where the editor. The Facebook will able to say replace her with another audio. Replace that music or upload them. Make anywhere where the music there, it go silent. Anywhere if they say you want to upload without the sound, anywhere the music there, they go silent. It's very simple. So that's how it be. Then me don't talk yesterday. I be there before yesterday. I don't explain. Say see as the whole thing be. I don't enter house only to see say this woman just come out. If I come out, defend herself. Defend and go here, defend and go here. You know, say guilty conscience, that's all it be. Because maybe they think say now only she. She no say other people they. And we not measure your name. We not measure the other people name. But because that guilty conscience don't they worry her. And so God don't make me name. Me no say in Frank they quarrel. Me no say in Frank they quarrel at all. So I don't know say na Rita Ayemiomo they feed me and they feed my family. Now she's supposed to tell me who I go carry my Facebook go give. I don't know say I'm supposed to take permission from Rita before I will go give anybody my Facebook make it help me look her. Then at the end of the day, Go away. Mina wala monu. Ina do talo. Ina do tie. I can't talk as it be. I say happen. I know sabi lie. I know sabi lie. Cause the waiting happen. I call it say no happen. Unless I know why I expose but person or I want your keep account. If I want talk, I will talk. Any secret. I know they owe anybody. And I don't remember say I need to take permission from anybody before I go take my Facebook, go give anybody. I talk the way it happen. I give her to Epa Frank. I give her to Easy. As we they talk now, Easy they help me they do one. I give her to other people. Naija, not Naija, what they call her. He was once my admin. He they help me they do one. He not fit. He said they don't dabaru one. He come out. So I call other people. Then at the end of the day, now that one where you hear say, how you get matter when they give person? How? He? On one way a Facebook one or send no migo ne. What's the woman and migo boy advert hero? My man and well. Okay, my wamureni kuwa we. I don't mugie or don't go my way. The price of the yago my way near don't beg away a man baby jogging my own. Yeah, they not see any woman making monetize. A red ready wa fun e ma wa claim video wa. O ma be yan na wa claim e. O ma be yan na wa claim, o ma be yan na claim e really. Eri ana shi, eri ana ya we mi a. Ye wa claim video. O je mi ni kere amigo. Ebe o wa o su. O do atele ya be let video. O bi na ba we ta wa be gun wa egwere wa forgive me wa sin ya. He just tell us say wa be sin ya, let them go. What see he release any animal to be ma be negwe. Mama be Facebook when now we get the job. We ma claim it to be ando azobo. No, they not mention name. Waiting make guilty conscience can't drive you come out. Okay, because say na Frank I go give or you can't they think say I can't chop belefu, can't carry your matter go give Frank or we can't they gossip you. You understand me? I don't know where that thing come from. Rita say, mind no asunu, na we problem no ni wa mi na, problem ni wa mi na, Facebook in problem. Me get said in carry, okay, I know that. And when I watch your video, my darling sister Rita, when I watch your video, e me ga gba ori eke, me ga ri na we ah. O ma igbelu bijo ko na owo we bia. I cause it looks easy. Nene we na because the way no ya go, the way no ya so, the way no ya we a bit we a bit and you sunu diet in ibado aye video na ya cover up be mana. Iya gogi wo na a bit because the shouting was really out of. It was off. Nana when me off. Nana when me were she left the track. She left the track. The cry was uncalled for. The shouting was uncalled for. The whole thing, the acting, what she acted was zero. It was uncalled for. Because many don't know what you so doing. Any matani, ni me watani way your phone here. I'm not saying you want to. I bet you not tell you go ya cover. Now you go cover here. We want to go where one we wadu so we eseni onuwa I am sorry to say my darling sister, try and check yourself. You said you are a doctor because see to be sincere you are very beautiful. You are beautiful and you are calm. When they look at your face, you are very calm. But you are when so me only me bring back my face when you want and me get the real way because they me beg or different than we create. Emini me beg I beg where I see you responsible, gentle, learned, wise. But where me no face na wa beg the real man of because they all you know we wo gun o ma be okwegun mana no wa strong give our na we ma wa gbegbe na awa beg where mana ma wa strong upper woman rogedi ma anything mama na kwa usef ani no see any ma nani meje eni so oge so ni amu ba me nani no see because I will make gbegbe mu or what day okay with him ma but when we je ni so we woman darling o ma fit we egg we a freshness in the face we eni no woman fit we eni nu eni emanire emaniru mo hu no kwa emaniru go emanire pe After how many years in abroad and you claim you are a doctor or you are still schooling, you are misbehaving. Or my fit you who that like Facebook the way no ya or gati and no better you work there a vampire no wait be no one more and on my fit you try no look decent your character get decent when be face you be on your fit you advice when you know once you have a boy man try and check on yourself if you are depressed because I'm not depressed or women who know we what baby you say if you mean that you go hey okwode yo najia wo sunu ijo o ma gberu gbeba yo pa pele ni westa try and check yourself if something is going wrong with you because if you know we life with you with me I was ashamed for you I'm at anywhere then let me leave that one let me leave that aside my darling sister Rita, my beautiful sister Rita, Okonomo say, Otakban you only know where. I wasn't there. My husband told me that, hey, babe, hey, this woman, what did they call Rita? She just reached out to me or say they arrested her parents, say they did police station, make him go help her, pay them. I was like, where is that coming from? Fine, we don't do social media, they beat us, they nyaga us, we don't master us, we don't do okay with it. We know they worry, okay, you see this my skin. You see this my skin, so now make me strong. So, but even if people they cause us, we are not friends to any of them. We not be where am I sick to that extent. We are not enemy. We can say hello, hi, but a first in my seven on an action where I was not like okay, how come? Okay, but I'm not there around now. I'm not even if I there around, I know if you go, let me. I say even if you there around, my dear, I not go let you go because tomorrow now they'll come say now you go bail. Rita police station. When many the next thing ever do so is a gawe. La go come on your body. You don't know what it cause fight within them. As far as the presenter, la video yari if you are good to go where the was any to a belly rabbit shoe. Aku are I wait a presenter machine, a live video mabu, Matty ya belly then ya tear boni, my tear boni because my we have a go with the video. We know they do one like that, so we not go use body rub that kind of thing. Loud to the road, why you show, la what a man where you know there so. On the time we hero white battle way out Joe. That was the end. Whether not for there, let the investigation take come. I don't know. Because I remember I don't even obey. Now, if don't tell you say may you help and go bail the parents before it start to the saga easy, I be those saga easy before it send you that message. I don't even know. I not gonna know the one where it happen, but one thing I know that there was a time when we and the easy get issue on this social media that she started sagaring easy. She started sagaring easy, and people were not saying she's fighting for us. Then she by herself said it on live video that she is not fighting for us. Easy never final trouble for this social media. She can't play the video. Say now if the first final trouble, that time she don't get her time. So now when we are easy, don't get issue. Now you can't get her time. You can't say you want fight easy. All the time when you take do video, when you take say you they insult easy because of us, did I call you to tell you thank you? Did I even come to your live video to comment and say thank you? Did I do it? No, I did not. You know why? If matter come out for social media, let me not forget, even una colleague, una co-presenter even called me to tell me, let me tell you something, my darling sister. You say this woman where they claim say they fight for una, so say they do. Now her money she they work, you know they fight for una. Make una get her for mind, say now money she they work. Anytime she talk this video, she at the end of the day they go pay her. Now money she they work. So make una not just say she dey, make una not just go close to this woman. Oh, this woman get as she take just say, me, I no get any presenter number apart from may I tell you that side. Epa one I know say they call me daughter. Now I said get a number before. I say me I don't know there. Oh, I don't know there. If I see a video I pass because I don't send anybody message. Now if two people they fight, let's come to reality. As a human being, not animal, as a human being. If two people they fight, even animal says they do one, they go enter inside, they begin separate fight. If two people they fight, the third person go come, the fourth person go say, "Mona leave fight." In the process of saying Mona leave fight, some not go say leave fight, some go come, they go join this one. What you do not good. Some go come, they go join this one. What you do not good. But at the end of the day, people know who do bad. People know who do good for that matter. Even if people decide to join who do bad, say you do one well, because say they hate the other one, they say you do one well. No me say people will get human being sense, not know who do bad, not know who do good. But wetin go matter be say some people go come and say, "Mona rest for fight, Mona not fight again, Mona not fight again." You came in to say because easy don't fair offend you, you decide to join us say you want fight easy, which I didn't call you for it, and I did not even call you to say, "Hey, busy kakabo, go make bell." Even as we speak, I see the talker. If there's any live video presenter, we say me Esther. Even that time, we be say battle hot, yes. Fight day. Say me carry my phone, call her, tell her say, "I bet me beat her. It will do me oh, information, beg. Not there, oh, it not there." If they even call me sometimes, I'll say, "Mona leave her, Mona leave there. Mona leave us, I beg." And I beg why. That's why they tell them. If not, at least as they hate me rich, therefore don't see my voice record. If voice record me, oh come what all? If voice record me, come what all? Is this not your voice record? Or you tell me say so person see information, beat her for me. So what I am trying to say is this. I'm not trying to say if people they beat me tomorrow, I not do anything. They say they want beat me. Say, oh, still like to say, why you bear? Mama, you know, make them not talk. If you say you don't want to talk put, nobody go come fight you. Nobody go come tell you say why you not talk put. If person beats me 1 week, 2 weeks, he no go tire. Yes, I don't lower. But when I was saga for 1 week, 2 weeks, egbe all la because they sagion low, egbe must go. So if you see whether they beat me, you can't look and say, this one whether they beat lady of socks, so she not do anything. You can't decide to say, make I still defend this lady. God bless you. Oh my God, they defend you where they matter. Yes, so. And then they might only have kweku. Amen. We been another answer we say. And then they might only have kweku. Oh my, so nobody get one of it to defend you where oh man, ma we only. Eri me not gonna say. You do good, you receive good. You do bad, you receive bad. Now so it be. So when it now comes to social media, you own social media, they don't monetize your page. You own her like this. You the saga person. The person find trouble with the saga run. If they make your money, if that person still gets, you go on, you go see saga, you go make him money. That is why I can tell you categorically today that you see all this saga that is going on Facebook, whether presenter and co-presenter is sagaring themselves, or they are sagaring musician, or they are sagaring normal person whatsoever. I know they can't them as anything. I know they see as anything. I they see as play. Ikui wa very kunya jenyaku. Iya wa be gwaligo. Iya sisi inwini ya no. Iya wa be when ya migo. Because you will see this presenter today, they are fighting. Tomorrow they are settled. So now the way of they are making their money. Don't be surprised tomorrow the worst enemy on social media tomorrow they will still settle. That is okay. They will still settle. So I know they can't say anything. Yeah, back now the way then what I make na my name there. If this one said this one, I've been an amela. They can't know what's a bekia. They too no what's a bit two way where la wa. How we have a settled. So I know they can't social media saga say anything. No, I know they can't say anything. So even my song, to be sincere, my song, I tell now the other I say even me, he told him my wa. Every soon no my 2019, Rija we bo me saga me. ina mwe yori mini ya ume o mini ya ume o inyari ya me kiwa ya woro na ya wona o 2020 2021 2022 2023 osalobana ya bless me, and I decided to say no, I don't have enemy. I have let go. Or my mother will now it can be a mistake or my mistake, but if you can't they redo one that will not be mistake. If you do something once, you can't say I my way down and say you can't remove and you not do one again. That time you not say you not do good, you don't repent. If you can't they overdo and not gonna be mistake again. It not gonna be mistake. It did there. It not gonna be mistake again. So that is why I decided to say, even enemy, or no, or when I'm hearing now, I not fit put anybody for my mind. Let God just decide. In fact, now said, man, if we offend me, Saloba, forgive me, so mistake, it's a mistake, but later, yeah, okay, where this thing not even make sense. Let everything go. This is a fresh beginning. But letting go, forgiving people does not mean you should go and dine with your enemy. You should go and eat with the devil. Or man, only matter when you fear go or no go protected be where we are protected in case of a trouble and a day. So forgiving does not mean you should just begin to behave anyhow. You understand? Under running. People like Monica, where they do live video, where we say, now no for this social media, say, now Monica even do me 2019, play my voice record and everything. At the end of the day, after 2019, 2020, Monica started playing my song. If Monica play my song, they will bully her. Why they play lady of song? Not be you do everything. Why they play a song? People they bully and put. Sometimes I'll they laugh, say, when you answer now, make the liver. If music not get enemy, music now for everybody. But I will just talk about my say, make they leave this woman now. Make she play my song. I play her for everybody. I will talk her for inside my mind. But so we there the TikTok, I get the Facebook. I'm worried TikTok. I just see her. She they play her for TikTok. But my brother home. Sometimes I will laugh. I say, oh one you want to me? If you want to make me your enemy, you should be able to make my blood brother your enemy. So if she's playing my brother's song, that means Ohama get anywhere. I don't even know a song. I don't know whether a song. You feel maybe if you play her, they go bully you. Say why you go play a song. That's why you know they play. But if they play my brother home, at the same time you are playing my own because my brother is me. I am my brother. So they bully that woman. Let me that woman not they play my song for Facebook. All play. What I'm trying to say here, nobody is asking anybody to fight anybody for anybody. Imagine anybody no gbina me. Imagine anybody no anybody me. If you not decide to fight because somebody is fighting me, you decide to fight that person. Thank you very much. But if you not decide to say, oh, because he besta. Ina the agba wani enineria and don't be wo mweria nige gwa nige tawo mweria and when I reach you who block you block him mama make na reach you o ko he jari gwa we o ma na mweria
she don't need to the gates of she don't even do even all those Instagram all those comments celebrity.
No, I'm going there. Maria because where it's not done. It's not done. Why me I play my song for everybody. If you are my enemy, you are my friend, you are whatever, my song is for everybody. If you want to play my song, play my song. Play my song. If you don't want to play my song, leave her. Onyene Gbemesere is going to 3 million. Presenters of I have fans, but the presenters they are still doing well. They are trying. Inu gbe presenter mi won mi han we live video okay we wa pe ni. O here is a win 170 wa. The niya pe wo wa. O say 170 because the presenter pa live video re ne. Eni pe live video ni o de. Ni pe wo wa. Uno wa so live video wa pe gbogbo 3 hours. 3 hours ni from the beginning here be won make ni ke itale medino. En we pe live video ni oze be nu we pe wo wa oze go count here oze go count here. So start you when you want to cry because we're in one when money where when you boy body where do I so what a betray where in what way na ya betray where I take the letter you where do we ma be now if we be na ni go ya fe na pay no be sagadi where pay rebo a o ma pay rebo then when a himu here then when we if wa here setting mu na I do mu a frankie where a frankie game no rope na pe when I don't even know you. In my way, so why my way, Facebook na bury we have a better way. Ya dey only wash my only wash we better way. O ma fo then when he yata no na aso mo bogbetebu where me my ya this go when the frank ne how
o me nyenye we ndo na ma we be frank
abi when nye na me be frank when me we tale o na yata. So because of these people where they claim my video and they claim my song, let me go put copyright. And I'm still telling my fans, not be only me for a those put copyright for song. If you love me, you play my song, share revenue with me. That one not go buy you. As my fans, only I will you but me go €4, €5. Why you go no son no mama where? Let's not be greedy about it. Then only now money. Now the sunny I. Then my darling beautiful sister Rita. Oh no mo say. Oh no anyway. Go make them up my wa. I will present us in now. All of them be one. They be one. They be the same. They be the same. The little thing where they take difference. Say some get sense person. Sense in the soul anyway. Or here we will normally no keke. Oh anyway, no na keke. And they so what you know be doing man no be being. Matter you want to tell we matter raw. But when it comes to fighting, they are all the same. If they want to fight you, they don't look back. If they want to fight you, then they go fight you, my dear. Not to say because they are different or different, you do bad, they don't fight you. They'll fight you. Some days I will be saying, not do anything. Because of you, we are fans. So me ya luga kere so no me nwa or for almost the same thing. Let me use that word. Then Rita my sister where it might take for I won't lie because a boy that take bear for me I when I reply but ni damn you one here only be wo not a marry ne egite talo not marry. Even was up now where a music. I will not a music is a good job. No salobari can menu. And I'm happy that I'm a musician because they see my way music. Their music you where because a musician I will probably figure here we are and everything. Then in a musician. Allah. Maybe I will be one of the people who go wear pants and bra. I'll call they do live video. I will be one of those people. And I never see any of you now will go beat me for saga. I not see. If you say you they do saga, say you want saga lady of song. Say I not be musician. Say I be normal person. You know if you beat me for saga. But because of my person, again we are go talk just now. They say I taxi don't do. Don't do. In here we kumela wa. He said he go. Because era me je wa kokome say iyama kokome we wa teme ma me boy nika ati wa do no ne we de mi atama era me je ma kokome be yo ani beta mu gba agbeu ehweki ihi o ma no ka du eki ni abi wa maka e story me idweki ze idweki nika di kele da de kini eketo rekio sani e madam me rekio sabe na guana o wa ye reva wa la first lay ni first shade deliver e madam me reva ya mi wa vi fie ni man so kwe marriage na gba. So I not see any, I don't know why now come they look me say because say she they do music why oh I get I dey add respect to my name oh me the call you me the gbe but it there are so many people no a fancy me normal like Kevin or Tom ni o wa bege ba wa so an vie leti o so do dey sorry o wa vie then me wa ya drop or wa call why did you do that one of my mother don daughter me because of this live video or daughter me or wa Australia oje o my tell me there and me live video na no I said you should not answer them again. You don't used to listen to me. O me call him again na wo maje egui you know she me le gbe no self-worth. I try to add down to it. But sometimes you have to keep self-worth. You will still let them know, say, not be the top pass. So my sister, who will not say on done it talo, but they know what we say. What done you were she? Abi was what we say? Or what done you were she? What's your talo you were being when not talo? What's your G you were be? Because what we worry to hate the war now. I didn't mention your name. My husband didn't mention your name, but you came out to let them know that you are the one we were talking to, and you want to come and prove it. You want to come and deny it. He may tell me whenever, oh, you are a criminal. Fire go burn your nyash. You are a thief. You know, go ahead. Oh, your boss. Oh, him. Rubbish. Was ye go well at you? Because they to fake all la wa. Una fe ko one way since yan with them that means we been where they thief their video. So not be let me you want the oh yeah who wears the video ya many o ma cause him pa who get me nu she na una do pretend do aba swevo eve o wa ba do avieve o igbina nu gbina ni ya they will pay. Are you mad do anu gbina na kokobiri do anu gbina na tie bogyo da fi me. I don't want me where for social love because to start with other we marry me. Or where is woman or roboto? I came and roboto when we roboto. How you say the word tell me. How you say the word when we man have me over to know when you wait for where they will be a man okay. A bone over to buy your worry. Who said wepo, who mammy over to woman, who mammy over Nigeria home. I'm your weak one. I'm your young sir. I'm your weak calabar. When mammy no him move over Nigeria. When I am with if I am miri anyway, ya mu no it one way. Name my yeke or you are to do it at the smoke again. Oh, you are Tacosi. We're getting another from where. Oh, ye bag, and then no for ya. Oh, why ye bag, they are nori. When they call me to if we are president, we're getting no more choir master. Or work choir master. A big choir master not that from where move where. No addresses say, are you stupid? Wazoo, I mean, no, who wasted beauty. Wasted beauty. Wasted beauty where? Wasted, and it's so painful. Okay, let's damn Imo Mosen we Moseni. You don't get school by it. Okay, when in my year school, now let me okay, no, don't matter me where in my year school, Let me tell you, my dear, they when not finish with the work like we boy and basha wona what pay you are. You not finish. Me makata move when I wear SS2 now drop out. SS2. Now drop out. No man a rebo color ye popo. Now what pay ye in mouth. Now what pay ye one. No, not so and then I go with oh je popo or have je popo. A try that lot of the luwu for camera and no bell I go that for any. If you dressing best backbone. Women in my year school, not learning man in my year school. When you make ben, Emily make ben where woman go make boy. And when you make ben Facebook, do woman or go make boy. Eto e ya pin one. Eto e ja pin one. E o ma pin one me e o no kra mi one yere de Moarie studio.
You right now they can sing for studio.
E o ma no kra mi one mu yere de Moarie studio yes studio ya so ni ri mi. E bin one ya igbon ejo ya gbon e bi ni eto ya igbon ne ima me like e can say igbon ya igbon ne ya mu ese studio be ya sin one. Ade film ya no mi egi mara wu ni ma wu ni na me dey write the story. O ma me tell story ma me. A story I put o polematic ben. If you want to go me gbon na mo pe the story I taught ina dey teach me be na ya pe the story here. Be na ya pin one I teach them. drop out in SS2. Me no my year school, my university, I can read and write. If you boni, we go waka lo, yet if you call your piano, like, so you be. Hana go tell me my year school, as if you were year school say me. Traveling is part of education. On in Europe. Una ke ba le de ni wo je na you call you everybody. You call you. Europe. Unu gbele we po ma nyi be na ke po ye nyi ba mu ha. Ma nyi be na ke po. Ma gwe po. U ke be te be ka be bien ne bo una bien ne fake bo. Una bien ne fake bo. Oma mi ebo no bi memu veterio ebo no wa atule lo bi mewe mo yen giro do wa mai ho nya wen giro ya be boni break up ne me gita mu wa ne yen giro ya wen break up ne mo ha mewe imagi leke eyan me wa alagbe u setting wi me e love ebo na love na ya wu na imagi wa na ya do yo si gbe mo ama cheating the watch it ezo bezo we olele mi are show igbina na te wa gulele mi are show they can have a black boy. They are fucking you. You are sleeping with all of them. Or market no other boys in you are claiming they are your brothers. They are not your brothers. You are cheating on me. Ah boy. Oh so. You get sexy. Now you see boy. I me me Facebook. You see belly and wa. Even when you see be. I know what again. Real no ebe arishiga no. When I go na adori eni giwo madori ye. Oye so igigi gwa lo wa dele ona jo si gbo amaka me o maka wa emu me o ga mu we no yawo any trust me any boy me any trust at all. So me if I want to sleep with me, if I want to waka me and you waka, if I dey go toilet stand for where the toilet, not go anywhere. Now that kind one, and I know like am and now woman le me lene o obi me na ke ko be tekpo mo na le. So we mamie bi ebo am to we have a saki where my gwalo una amwe fake una ya mabino una ya mwe you are a fool my dear uzua you are a disgrace you are a shame wana ku we agoda fi me gwan adere we ai we na wa nwan ma ya wa arobi no ma ya wa go ma gwan and everything. When I make a way, we want a marshal, we want a memoir, when I was when we are so it's either we get or the phenomenon go away a belly, a visual majo, a down your soldier, or again, my visit settle, or him my visit settle, or una lawe be morokino, okay, morokino, or una lawe be a fanny, una do a fee where here settle me, it be none, and the same thing yetana where it be na ya no be none man. Ima do boy say as if ma tie wejo atie wejo we gani ya digbina no gbina ekebani pa na mo e video ya no ehunu ya robi magu we gun ke nu ke robi ma gani ate I blocked you. I won't lie. He block you and you know I block you. He wa block you lele ya fe immediately me le wusun arobi mane usun arobi mane gbe ka we ne dari mane lisi settle or maybe o ge hun e go ge hun because obenu ya ge hun e nu ya ge hun no mana jo je be agun je be ati achayogi manoma e kenike observe you was my baby is settle if I make it observe be go okay exactly if I make it if I look at one me gbeli kiaye igwa be so one me gbeli kiaye ne wa buni block video wa egbu na no na self as I say block to now wa na hina I block you. But may I tell you as I sit there, they see you. My normal Facebook